Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a custom search engine in Google Chrome. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side select search engine. On right side select manage search engine and site search. You just need to scroll down over here. Next to site search, click on add. In here you just need to type the search engine name. For example, I just going to add Wikipedia search engine. After typing it, you just need to type the shortcut of the website name. I'm gonna typing wikipedia.com, and after typing it, you just need to search for URL of Wikipedia search engine. You just need to copy it by given in the Google. You just need to copy it, search for whatever search engine you want it, and after pasting it, select add. Now you just need to select the three dot icon next to Wikipedia and select make default. Now you just need to open up new tab and search anything. As you can see, it launches Wikipedia search engine. The same way, if you search anything like my name, it should launch Wikipedia search, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.